Very good morning, Professor Debi Prasad Mishra. My pleasure, my good luck that I am sharing dais with him. He is a known exponent on Indian knowledge system, everybody knows. I knew only through social media and Facebook, Google about him. And my pleasure meeting him here personally. Professor Yogi, Professor Shah, new deans of the NIT, which they also develop as Dean of Triple IT. So I welcome them as Dean of Triple IT as well. Esteemed colleagues sitting in the audience, students. This buzzword of Indian knowledge system actually became very popular when National Education Policy 2020 became in force or came into being, was being discussed. But much before that, it's not that it's only because of NEP 2020 that Indian knowledge system became relevant. It became relevant that government wanted to go for wholesome or holistic kind of education system. Remember 1600 years ago, we had Nalanda University, the oldest university. Oxford and Harvard come much later. Oxford is around 800 years old, Harvard is around 400 years old. US and UK universities I am talking about. We had a university system where it was multilingual, it was multidisciplinary, giving a holistic kind of education and was able to draw students across the world. People used to come across China and other places to our universities, especially I'm talking about Nalanda University, to learn what? To learn about agriculture, engineering, I would say, to know about how do we do agriculture. Remember, keep in mind that our Sanatan system is about 4,000 years old. So people were living that time also and they were surviving. They were having some idea about how to do engineering or precision agriculture engineering. They were also knowing about metallurgy, they were also knowing about architecture. So these people come to our universities to learn about all this Indian philosophy, agriculture engineering, architecture engineering, the monoliths of South India where you find temples built out of a single stone monolith. Still a miracle for most of the Western architecture people. The passive cooling concept which is given by Vastu, and we have been using, of course, European model also as well as and forgotten about Indian model, but the passive cooling essentially propounded by the concept of Vastu, which again an Indian knowledge system. So why this Indian knowledge system should be known about? It's not about boasting something which is people feel that we are going backward, we are going in the past. It's about beating the bush. It's not the case. It's not the case of beating the bush. Even if you do not feel proud of our ancient knowledge system, at least be aware of this, because that gives you a confidence, that gives you a sense of direction. तो कोई लंबा लॉन्ग जंप करना होता है, you have to come first backward, you first move backward, no? If you want to make a long jump, थोड़ा पीछे आकर के फिर आप लॉन्ग जंप करते हैं. That coming backward is not moving backward. Coming backward is about loading yourself with strength, information, and then you can leap forward with those kind of strength that you had. So fortunately our forefathers, our culture is about 3,000, 4,000 years old, and naturally right from zero to all kind of yoga or Ayurveda or architecture, whatnot, in every domain of knowledge that we have contributed. Only thing is that we don't feel proud of achievements of our ancestors. So this awareness workshop on which sir is the exponent, and this awareness workshop is essentially needed to make us realize that we have the strength, we have our ancestors have done the groundwork. Now we have to make a leapfrogging from that particular instant, and then this knowledge should be at least imbibed. Knowledge should be known that there is a hidden treasure trove of knowledge. So that is what my feeling is. I will not take much time, and thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now humbly invite Professor